Ibang klase. Baka ano yan
Kasi maraming folds.
I think the YouTube you guys are watching are wrong.
No, that's the one.
Like this?
Oh,
I don't even know.
You have to look at the video. Ask Lolo Boy to help you.
Can you help me?
Wait, we're gonna look first.
Lolo Boy is
Iba,
confused.
hindi, sa amin, hindi naman ganito.
Graded na yan eh.
tabanog yung tayo eh. Hindi
Double siya. Gano'n.
double wing.
Jet plane.
Jet plane.
Helicopter yan.
Ano tayo?
It's not paper.
Fighting plane yata to.
Fighter plane.
Lolo Boy is confused.
Oh, you know how to do it now? You see it?
Si Lolo Boy nga, di marunong sumunod eh.
Ano ba't ginawa ng gano'n?
Ano yang itsura? Stress kayo.
Oh.
Bang klase nga.
Fighter plane nga yan. Tora-tora.
Ibang klase nga.
I used to make that really good before.
Huwag mo nang sundin kasi gumawa ka na lang ng sarili mo.
Yung made in the
Hindi na
Philippines.
Hindi yung med sa YouTube.
Tama yan pa, ganyan yan pa. Tapos ifo-fold mo, tapos ifo-fold mo ulit para may
Pupul
wings.
dito yata. Ayan.
Aha.
Hindi nga.
Ganyan. Ganyan yata. Ganyan or baliktad?
The video's over and you guys still don't know.
I'll do it for you.
O kasi ito may lock
Look,
pa to.
Lolo Boy's doing it.
Ito ang lock niya. Sa amin lang ganyan. May
Oh,
lock to
he's gonna show
eh.
you
See,
how.
oh.
May lock. Ba?
Tapos pupul mong gano'n.
And then you fold it again for the wings.
Full the wing.
Aba, may lock pa.
Yan, yung ganyan mo ngayon.
Wow,
Oh,
that's a
see?
fighter plane.
Para matulin.
Ah, mabigat sa
Sa
loob.
kanya, iba naman yan. Dito naman niya nag-fold dito. Dito siya nag-fold. Oh, ayun.
Oh, there. Look, the plate.
Come on, I can teach you now. I know now already. Oh, yun, may lock na yung wing.
Wow, nice. Okay. Okay, show na how.